If you have an older car, you're definitely going to find that you got issues at some point. And today we have an issue with this 2011 Toyota Camry Hybrid. It kind of broke down on my daughter a few days ago, and she was pushing on the gas pedal, the engine was revving, but it wouldn't go, and then she got the message on the dash light saying hybrid system malfunction. So I brought it home and I found out that the coolant was completely empty for this hybrid drive system. So Jeff was kind enough to come up here and give me a hand here. I'm kind of short on time, so I've asked him to help me with this repair. So I think the first thing we probably need to do is just figure out where the leak is coming from, and maybe just put a pressure tester on the reservoir, pump it up with what, 15 pounds of pressure?
We'll just put a little on it and find out. So the hybrid system is separate from the regular cooling?
Yeah, okay. It's a great question. So it's not the same coolant as the engine coolant, but it is the same Toyota pink coolant that you use in both systems, but they are separate self-contained systems. We just had this car fixed not that long ago when Alyssa had that accident going down the mountain, and they replaced the radiator. But in this car, it's really a two-part. So I believe on the radiator, there's the main radiator, and then there's a small, like a 5 or 6 inch wide radiator that sits on top of the normal radiator, and that's for the hybrid system.
Okay. So most likely, if you just had a wreck, it's up here somewhere. Yeah, that's about 10 pounds. Ooh, there it is. See it dripping. Dripping right there in between the AC condenser and the radiator. It's up here.
Do you see it?
It's up here on this thing. See how wet it is?
Oh yeah, it's dripping down here.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like that unit's got a hole in it.
Yeah, let's get the top off. So we found the leak right there. See that little bitty? If I can get this. All right. That little dimple right there. Yeah. That's the leak. That thing's very thin aluminum, and actually, they should have replaced that too at the same time. See how it's bent? So, I guess that happened during the accident. They didn't see it. It probably just turned loose and started leaking after a few days. So let's see if we can find one. Okay. So, hour and a half and several $100s later, we got one, which I'm kind of just happy to have gotten one locally. So, let's get it put in and see if this fixes our problem.
All right, job's about done. Jeff did a great job taking the old one out. Here's the old one.
Yeah.
So, let me show the...
Where is it?
I think that was it right there, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess it was. That was it. Really small.
Yeah, it is small. For the amount of liquid it was.
I should have replaced them anyway, because see how that's bent in?
Yeah, it sure is.
So,
all right. So, put it back together, put some more pink fluid in there. Verified that it's circulating fine, and now we just need to drive it and make sure it's not leaking anywhere else, but it should be in good shape. So,
and apparently I read that on a Toyota, it is specific to Toyota pink.
Yes.
It's not just pink. Now, how serious that is, I don't know.
What happens when you mix GM orange color with pink?
I think it turns into a corrosive. They claim it turns into a corrosive. I've never experienced doing it, so I don't know for sure.
I've heard that it will actually congeal.
It may do it. Yeah. I don't know.
So don't mix your colors of your coolant. Really important. That's it. Not too bad of a job. Got it done quickly. It's good to have a handy mechanic available to come on moment's notice to get your car fixed. We do all kinds of these kind of videos on the Barry and Jeff show, just fixing things, and these are real world problems that we have. This isn't like we're going out looking for problems just to make content. These are real problems that we are showing video on how to fix. As a matter of fact, when I was looking for a good video on how to fix this, I couldn't find one on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So there you have it.
There is one.
There's going to be one pretty soon.
Yeah.
So hit like and subscribe if you like this content, and be able to see more as we continue to do more of these kind of jobs.